Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, November 9th. Outside of some patchy dense fog this morning, we're looking at cool and dry weather to continue with a weak system on the way Friday. But heading into this weekend and early next week, temperatures in the 50s and 60s will return. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Keep what you're focused on today. Enjoy the seasonable temperatures and dry conditions. Patchy dense fog out there this morning, particularly across the upper Snake Plain, Teton Valley, and eastern highlands. But beyond that, we're just keeping an eye on our next system arriving Friday. What that means for us is some mountain snow showers further north, as conditions remain mostly dry, just a slight uptick in winds. However, return to above normal temperatures starting this weekend into early next week, as conditions remain dry heading into midweek next week. Look at satellite for you this morning. Again, we're seeing those low clouds and areas of dense fog currently across the upper Snake Plain, out towards the Teton Valley, Island Park area. But outside of that, mostly clear skies. We'll have this ridge axis of high pressure shifting overhead today. So once those clouds break up this morning, if you're not already seeing the sunshine, once the sun comes up, you'll be seeing it plenty today. Water vapor satellite for you. So again, that high pressure ridge is going to continue to shift east today. So we're going to have that ridge axis shift directly overhead. What that means is plenty of sunshine with increasing clouds building in out of the north and west after sunset tonight. So you can see this upper level low that's currently moving on shore up towards Alaska, bringing some very heavy precipitation and strong winds. We're only going to get a very small taste of that as the system works onshore to the Pacific Northwest and northern Rockies, as it does, ejecting a slight upper level trough and associated cold front through the area. But overall, just looking at a slight uptick in winds, and as far as precipitation goes, staying very light in nature. Weather risk outlook for your next 5 days. We'll just focus on some patchy dense fog this morning, but that'll be burning off throughout the morning hours, with attention Friday and Saturday just turning to some slight chance for some mountain snow showers as conditions remain predominantly dry through the weekend into early next week. And here's a look at some of those regional webcams for you this morning. So again, most of that dense fog is currently, again, upper Snake Plain and eastern highlands. Look at Monida Pass, Telegraph Hill on I-15 and US 20. We're going to continue to see those patchy areas of pretty dense fog, visibility down to just a couple hundred feet in some areas. Temperatures today will be in the single digits, teens and 20s in the morning, courtesy of those clearing skies overnight. This should be a very cool morning out there. But afternoon highs still warming up back into those 30s and 40s, pushing near 50 in the Magic Valley and up towards Salmon. On your Friday, another cool morning in those teens, 20s, and 30s as you head further south and west. But overall, afternoon highs starting to warm up slightly. Afternoon highs still hanging on those 30s and 40s. A little bit better coverage of some potential 50s across the lower Snake Plain and Magic Valley. Snowfall amounts on your Friday. Again, not expecting a whole lot of snow with this system. Up towards the Sawtooth area. Could see a couple of inches in the mountains there west of Stanley. But beyond that, just some light snowfall. Maybe a glancing shower or two working through up through central Idaho and the eastern highlands. But should stay predominantly dry for your Friday. Temperatures on Saturday, noticeably warmer in the mornings. Most of those will be 20s and 30s. Coldest areas in the single digits and teens. But overall, afternoon highs on Saturday, noticeably warmer now. So we're having those 30s, 40s, and now mid-50s working into the valley areas. And that'll continue to warming trend as we head into early next week. Wind gusts on Saturday. So again, we're going to have a little bit of breezy winds with this system. Nothing too strong, but certainly on the order. Gusts pushing about 25 to 35 miles an hour. Temperatures on your Sunday, we're keeping that warming trend both on the overnight lows and afternoon highs. So we're looking at lows Sunday morning in the teens and 20s and 30s, with afternoon highs still hanging out in those 40s and 50s. And by Monday, should be another cool morning. Again, temperatures are rising over the next couple of days. But overall, morning lows will be in the 20s and 30s, afternoon highs 50s and 60s for just about everybody, still hanging on to those 40s up towards Island Park and Spencer. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome day.